Hey, hi, my name is Vignesh Varan and I'm an English language trainer. Over a period of time, I realized learning should become a habit, and that is exactly why I started Let's Learn a year ago. I'm very happy to inform you that Let's Learn has completed its first year. I believe learning English has become a habit for you in the last year. Thank you very much for choosing to learn with Vic and recognizing my efforts. I believe it's a great start for the days to come, where, with your extended support and interest to learn, we will develop an exciting brand of learning the language here. So, continue watching, continue learning, let's learn. This video is a part of a 2-minute series titled English through IPL Medium, where we learn English along with some cricket action. So, let's learn. Today we're going to learn the word arch rivals. We need a clarity with that word before we begin with it. The word arch rival is one word. You can't have two words there, arch rivals. It's just one word, arch rival. Okay, now the pronunciation of arch rival. Split the word into three parts, arch rival, arch rival. Give that a good try. Now the meaning of arch rival. Rival means enemy. Arch rival means important enemy. In cricket, we have arch rivalry between Australia, England, India, Pakistan. In IPL, we have arch rivalry between the two best teams of the tournament, the Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians. This rivalry began in 2010 when Chennai defeated Mumbai in Mumbai to win the IPL final. And the rivalry just grew fierce and intense over the next couple of years. This game has given some joyful memories and painful heartbreaks, and I'm sure most of the IPL fans are excited for today's contest. And that is all about the word arch rival. If you have learned that today, go ahead, like this video. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite learning with me in the last 1 year. Thank you very much.